Hey, I'm Ivy with WTI, and today I wanted to talk about this portable cassette player. One of the things that I absolutely love about this cassette player is its pink color. I also love that you can customize it with your own stickers of choice. You can use this cassette player to record yourself using an empty tape, or you can even use it to listen to the radio. It's also super easy to use. All you have to do is open it up, you slide in your tape of choice, you close it, and then you hit the play button. Right after that, your music or audio of choice will start to play. You can use this button to raise or lower the volume of the tape. There's also a headphone jack at the top so that you can plug in your headphones and listen to the music there. I also love that this cassette player is super light and easy to carry. And that's all thanks to this fancy clip that allows you to clip the cassette player to your pocket. All of these design features allow you to conveniently carry the cassette player wherever you go. All in all, I love everything about this little cassette player. It's super cute and it's a great way to listen to your tapes on the go, but that's just my point of view.